Go to the layer menu in Affinity Photo and select New Layer. Then go to the Gradient tool and create a quick gradient. Then go to the Swatches panel. You can find that in the View menu and Studio and Swatches and select the gradient. I'm just going to go with that one. Now you may have different set of gradients and that's in the Gradients category. Go to Layer menu and then New Pattern Layer from Selection. This is currently selected, this gradient, so I can then just resize that, move it around, and you can see the design there. Now you might be happy with this obviously the seam appearing there. You can also go up here, top left, and select Mirror. And then you can resize this design. Also, what you can do is you can make it more like square-like. Also, you can rotate it so it becomes more like a diamond design. And this is the bounding box, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a selection. So I'm just going to go to here to the elliptical marquee tool. You could use any of the others as well, of course. But with that, I'm just going to apply it over there. Just the bounding box is there. You can see the bounding box, and I've got the selection there. Now, the only part that will be used is this bit, this intersection between the two. So let's just go again up to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. And you can see the design there. That's the design that was just selected. And I can now resize that design and move it around. And of course, you could have selected other parts of the design as well. But also I can hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design. So I can create some nice sort of arc design like that with gradients. Also, I can go over here with the Layers panel, go to the Effects, maybe go for 3D, just give it a bit of depth as well, and click Close. And there you have it, a very interesting gradient design using selection and pattern layers. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.